In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add emojis to your iPhone keyboard. Now, this is actually pretty easy to do, so we're just going to start right away. So what you want to do is go to the settings and then to the general settings. Once you're here, you want to scroll a bit down till you see the keyboard section. Click on that, and then at the top, click on keyboards. And then right here you can see I have two languages and the emoji keyword right there. Now I can also edit it and remove one of those. But to add the emoji keyword, if it's not there already, because I think by default the emoji keyword should be there already. But if not, you just can click on add new keyword, and then it should be right here. You can just scroll through it, and it's probably, yeah, it's in alphabetical order, so maybe it should be, or maybe it's also here at the top. Wait, I can just remove it for this tutorial and see where it is. Oh, it's at the top actually, right there. As you can see, under the suggested keywords, it says emoji, and now I've added it back. So yeah, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.